The future of finance isn't just about accounting. It's about combining finance, technology, and business insight. Today's finance professionals are expected to understand accounting, ERP systems, business intelligence, automation, and artificial intelligence, not just prepare financial reports. The most valuable finance professionals combine technical knowledge with analytical thinking, communication, and the ability to turn data into business decisions. As finance evolves, continuous learning becomes one of your greatest career advantages. The professionals who adapt to new tools and technologies will be better prepared for future opportunities. Thanks for joining us through month 2. Subscribe to AI Finance Hub and keep learning with us as we explore more accounting, finance, AI, and leadership topics.